Today we're at the Long Beach Exchange.
Before checking out the food hall, let's dive into its aviation history. This massive property used to build airplanes. Before it was the Long Beach Exchange, this exact site was a legendary McDonnell Douglas and Boeing manufacturing plant. Today, they honor that rich aviation history everywhere you look. From the runway-painted crosswalks and model jets to the huge food hall aptly named the Hangar. Let's step inside and take a rapid-fire tour of all the current vendors. It's Friday at lunchtime, and this entire food hall is absolutely buzzing. First up is Cassidy's Corner Cafe. This concept was started 14 years ago with a philosophy of community over competition. You can grab the massive Joe's Special breakfast bagel, stacked with egg, bacon, cheese, plus jalapeno cream cheese for $9.85. Next up is Blue Bowl. This create-your-own superfood spot was actually founded by an Army veteran. While deployed in Afghanistan, he needed a fast, healthy meal that gave a natural energy boost. You can grab their signature blue coconut layered smoothie for just $9.50. Moving on to Ike's Love and Sandwiches. Started in San Francisco in 2007, they are famous for their signature Dutch Crunch bread and dirty sauce. They build exclusive, uniquely named creations for every single location, often paying tribute to local legends. With the menu this massive, obviously the Gramps sandwich caught my eye, stacked with vegan turkey and provolone. Next is Jaybird's Nashville Hot Chicken. The concept comes from Chef Jay, whose culinary roots go back to the south side of Chicago, cooking with his grandmother. They bring serious heat with 6 different spice levels, peaking at the ghost pepper fire tier. You can grab their signature chicken sandwich and fries combo for $14.95. Let's keep it moving right along to Doner G Turkish and Mediterranean Grill. You definitely want to check out their signature original Fladenbrat sandwich, packed with fresh greens and that incredible shaved meat for just $14.50. They build incredible, customizable plates and wraps using all these fresh ingredients made from scratch. If you've ever wondered where the name comes from, the word doner literally translates to spinning meat in Turkish, which you can see roasting perfectly here. This iconic, centuries-old spit roasting method actually inspired other global street food favorites, like the Arabic shawarma, the Greek gyro, and Mexican al pastor. Next up is Tenori, a must-visit for Japanese comfort food. They specialize entirely in onigiri, crafting perfectly shaped stuffed rice balls wrapped in crisp nori. Check out their best-selling spicy salmon or sweet pork belly. While prices aren't listed on the main board, these make the ultimate grab-and-go snack. Right next door is Parana, which is currently marked as coming soon. Started by a San Diego family, they'll be bringing authentic Argentine empanadas and chimichurri to the hangar. Speaking of San Diego roots, that perfectly transitions us right into Bottlecraft. This craft beer shop features an expertly curated tap list from across the globe. While the board is a bit too small to read the pint prices on camera, it's the ultimate spot to grab a cold brew to wash down your food hall feast. Keeping the momentum going, we hit Poke Squared Grill. They serve up incredibly fresh, highly customizable Hawaiian-style poke bowls. Right next door is Wagyu Street, which brings some serious culinary heritage to the hangar. This fast casual spot is actually an offshoot of a massive Japanese barbecue chain that started in Tokyo back in the 80s. Do not skip their signature Sizzling Wagyu cheeseburger steak bento, which runs for exactly $15. Next is La Taqueria brand. This spot is a true Long Beach local staple with multiple locations around the city. They actually took over this exact stall from another beloved local spot, Amorcito. Grab their massive queso taco for just $5.25. Right next door is Marinate, bringing incredible Korean barbecue to the hangar. They specialize in taking traditional K-barbecue flavors and making them highly portable. They serve everything up in fresh custom bowls and massive bulgogi burritos. You definitely need to try the signature kimchi fried rice for $13. Next up is a true comfort food heavyweight, the Kroft. This eatery is an absolute staple in the local food hall scene. They originally gained massive popularity over at the Anaheim Packing District by serving up insane, loaded poutines. If you want the ultimate cheat meal, you have to grab their double Wagyu smashed cheeseburger. It comes stacked with 2 smashed Wagyu patties and melted cheese for exactly $10.95. To finish off the food hall, we have Fior di Latte Cheese Shop. This artisanal shop offers expertly curated cheese selections right inside the hangar. While prices aren't listed out front, it's perfect for building a custom charcuterie board. Finally, you can check out Stay Anchored. This hyper-local lifestyle brand sells fresh apparel and hats that perfectly represent the coastal culture of the city. But the food hall is just the beginning of the Long Beach Exchange. The surrounding property is packed with standalone dining spots like Mendocino Farms, Georgia's, along with heavy hitters like Silver Lake Ramen and Handel's Ice Cream. The newly opened Urbane Cafe, as well as In-N-Out. You can even walk off those calories by shopping at major retailers right next door, like Whole Foods and Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, and Ulta. If you loved exploring the Long Beach Exchange today, smash that like button and subscribe to the Grampy Chronicles for more epic Southern California food tours.